Sending an email is like dating. When you fail, you never know if it's because you tried too hard or there was something inherently wrong with your approach. Luckily, there's a surefire way to find that out with emails by using email deliverability testing. We'll take you through two separate paths of testing. Keep watching to find the right path for your email deliverability. Hello, and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. Email deliverability testing is the process of checking whether your emails land in inboxes. It also involves identifying the reasons behind bounces and landing in spam folders. When should you run email deliverability tests? You can run them either pre-deployment or post-deployment. Pre-deployment testing involves running multiple tests before sending transactional or marketing emails to your recipients. This can be a combination of seed list testing, authentication testing, sender reputation checks, spam score analysis, and email list validation. With these tests, you can answer the following questions. Do your emails land in the inboxes of various mailbox providers? Have you set up authentication protocols correctly? What's your reputation score? Does your email contain any spammy elements? Does your email list contain invalid email addresses? Once all the questions are answered, you'll have a list of potential deliverability issues. Then you can take proactive measures and start sending emails with refined infrastructure, a validated email list, and non-spammy content. Post-deployment testing takes place after the emails are sent to the recipients. It involves monitoring important metrics such as bounce rates, engagement rates, unsubscribe rates, and spam complaints. If any of these metrics spike or plunge unexpectedly, you can go back and implement the necessary fixes. For example, if you notice excessive hard bounces, you can validate your list once again to remove those pesky invalid addresses. Our deliverability experts recommend running both pre-deployment and post-deployment tests to avoid potential deliverability issues and implement the necessary fixes quickly and effectively. And since deliverability testing and monitoring is such a complex process, you should use a reliable platform for all your emailing needs. This is how I manage bounces with Mailtrap to improve email deliverability. I can check the stats and find emails that weren't delivered. The system will put hard-bounced email addresses on the suppressions list automatically and will no longer attempt to send emails to those addresses. I also have the option to add email addresses to the suppressions list manually. Now, the only question left is, how do you test email deliverability? You have two main options: testing email deliverability manually and using dedicated tools for automated testing. Which route are you going to take?